Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check your system status on the StreamYard website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website of the StreamYard and then we have to create our account. And after that, we have to log in our account. And after that, we have to go to the system status option. Let's click on the system status option and you will be able to get all the system operational options here. Like as you can see, the destinations and after that studio on air dashboard. I have currently not used this option, this account too much. That's why it's showing the simple data. As you can see, operational 100 uptime 90 days ago, library and the recordings. These you will get all the options here, login and the sign ups. As you can see, other issues. You will be able to track your account and you will get all the information here related to your account, logins, destinations, recordings, library. Each and everything is provided here. So in this way, you can check your system status on the StreamYard website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.